Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is We Build Stuff, and today we are going to grease a trailer bearing. Let me show you some of the tools that you may need for this project. So some of the tools that you may need for this, maybe. Okay, mostly this stuff right here. For this old trailer, I'm using this red stuff right here. This just was from my local hardware store and was recommended. You're gonna need some kind of grease gun. I got this kind with the pistol grip. I would have liked to have a hard one, but the flexible should be just fine. You're gonna need some way to get off the trailer dust cap or whatever the name is. If you need to clean up, some rags. I'm gonna probably be using knee pads or maybe some cardboard because I'm on the cement. Gloves if you don't want your fingers sticky, and no, I don't need hockey tape. I'm not replacing the bearing. I'm just gonna be opening this up, kind of doing regular maintenance and adding some new grease, something good to do so that you don't get stranded in the middle of nowhere. You're gonna need a grease gun of some sort for your grease. I mean, you could probably just use your fingers, but for this specific one, it has this like quick nipple thing. Before I even load this, let's see what we're working with here first. Find some way to, oh gosh. I don't know if I've ever seen so disgusting in my life. Okay, that looks like bad hamburger meat in there. Let's hope it's just a bearing flush. There's a little bit of water. This thing's definitely been sitting for a while. This is a mid-90s boat trailer, and the owner said it was sitting for a long time. Let's give this a quick clean before we start adding stuff there. All right, that is disgusting. Oh my. It smells like if you're down at the ocean, you go to the docks to go buy fish from people. It's got that kind of funk to it. All right, things are shiny in there. That's nice. We'll start with that, and the rest of the grease should be able to push some of that junk out of there. Q-tip would be good here, a little tool, but I think just our fingers is good. This is all sealed in there. All right, shiny. Well, since we're here, might as well hit the outside too. Now, other things to check as part of your yearly maintenance. How old are your tires? I got another year left on these. You should change them roughly every 10 years or so. But I'm going to start with this, see how it runs. There's no weird noises, so I believe the bearings on the inside are okay. That's nice and shiny now. We should be okay to add some of our grease in there. There are a couple different ways to load these things. Let's consult the magic 6-ball and see what we should do. It's just bubbles, never mind. That's okay. It'll be okay. Oh. Oh, I can feel it happening. There, it's coming out. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. This one's adjustable, so I should be able to open and shut it. Let's see how it fits this first. Tighten that on there. And we're going to be basically squeezing this until we see it all coming out. The only thing we want to see coming out to know we're finished is the same color as what was in there. I can't show you. It's inside the tube now. Okay. Start squeezing. Oh, there we go. We got some stuff oozing out. Oh, wow. Here, let's put something to catch all that. Oh, man, it's like cleaning a fish. You ever done that? Cleaning those fish guts and there's, oh, man. That's what we want. Okay, we got some brown stuff coming out. I'm going to keep going so we can basically replace whatever's left in there. Guess that's how you know it's working when stuff's, oh man, this is gross. Still got some brown coming out. It's not like we don't really want to reuse this, that's okay. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it seems like it's mostly red. I haven't got a whole lot of the other stuff coming out. I'm curious how dry this bearing was, so I'm glad I did this job now. Okay. I haven't had any weird colors come out other than the red for a while, so I think this side is okay. That's basically it. You just want grease in there. I think I got it all out. There's no other weird colors other than the nice clean red that I was putting in. And that's about it. Pop your dust cover back on. Maybe clean it first. Ugh. Okay, that wasn't so bad, was it? Let's go do the other side now. It's literally right there. Same steps, except I'm only going to use the tools I needed. Take your cover off. Now, this one looks way cleaner than the last one. There's a retainer clip, spring. Anyways, the model of this one, this is a model 1980 bearing buddy. Okay, this side looks way cleaner than the other one. I'm still gonna give it a quick little spray. Pop it on. There we go, not coming off. Same thing as before. Give it your squeezes until you start seeing only the color coming out that you were adding in. There, see some bubbles? There, that piece is pushing out against the spring, so I'm definitely filling it. There we go, now it's starting to come out the edges. It's brown. That's not the same color I'm putting in. So I'm getting a little bit of red from this side, mostly brown here. There, starting to get a little bit of red from this side now. Let's catch anything that may or may not fall. Oh, yeah, how's that for timing? All right, I'm getting red out the left and right side now. I think that's pretty good. Let's give that a quick clean. Whoa, there's another one. Loosen it up. Yours might just pop on and off depending on the type and model of tool you are using. There we are. Give that all a nice wipe. Cleanliness is next to the refrigerator. That's it. Easy maintenance on this model. Didn't have to pack the bearings. That'll be for the next season or if I start hearing any weird noises. But either way, do not ignore your bearings. Quick and easy. I mean, I talked a lot, but that's okay. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot, makes me want to make more stuff. I have been on a bit of a hiatus on building things. I've been fixing things. Anyways, hope that's helpful. Enjoy your day. Bye. I did the wheel bearings like 2 hours ago and I just drove 100 kilometers with it to a random lake. You can do this with minimal tools. Make it happen. So basically, if you squeeze this, it's just going to start shooting out, I guess.
How are you supposed to take it out?
Oh, wait, I don't want to unscrew that. Oh, I think I did it. I depressurized it. So now... there we go. It's all sticky. Sorry, it's hard to hear. I hope I don't sound impatient with you, son. Okay. Time to put the tools away.